Hi all, I've just been prompted to make this video to help teachers make videos for classes. I've been prompted to do it because of coronavirus fears and schools shutting down and that sort of thing. So hopefully this helps out some people who want to do this for their students. I'm using a software called OBS, which, having looked at a few different softwares, I think this is the easiest one to get on and use quickly. It's also quite a powerful software in that you can take it a long way. You can do a lot more sophisticated things in the future if you want to. It's got a lot of functionality. It's quite straightforward. So at the moment you can see there's video of me coming from my laptop. I actually have another screen over here, which is why I'm sort of looking to the side. And I'll show you the software now. So here it is. You'll see this screen in the middle is a bit messed up because it's sort of like videoing itself, so it's a bit like having two mirrors facing each other. You'll see down the bottom here there's a list of devices, some of which I'm using right now, some of which I'm not. So for example, display capture, that's capturing that second monitor I was talking about, so my screen. If you're just using a laptop and you just want to capture that screen, you'd have a display capture for your laptop screen in there. If I wanted to add a display, I click the little plus there, and then I go display capture, create new. You can call it whatever you like. I could do laptop screen if I want to display my laptop screen. Click OK, and then you choose which display. Now if it's just your laptop, you're only going to have one. There's not going to be another option there. You just hit OK. I happen to have two screens. My laptop screen is display 2. I click OK, and look, you can see my laptop screen there. And as you can see, you can just pick it up, move it around, shrink it if you've got other things in the background you want to see. Really, really easy to use. So that's currently what's on my laptop screen. I'm going to delete that now. That's currently what's on my other screen. Okay. You'll also see down the bottom here that you can see me talking. You can see what the microphone's doing. I'm using an external microphone right now, just because I do this a bit and it's much clearer than the tiny little microphone on the laptop. However, you can just use your laptop microphone as normal. So this is my external microphone I'm using here, but if I was to turn that one off, and here's my laptop microphone. I'll show you how I did that. So here's the OBS software. You can see the laptop microphone is working now. I can mute that by clicking here. And then I just turn my other microphone back on. Setting the level, what you want really is for your microphone to be putting in an output up around here somewhere. You don't want it going into the red or you won't sound very clear. It will distort the sound a bit. I can make it quieter, really quiet, or bring that back up. There you go. So whatever you do, you don't want it coming up into the red here. And then you'll get a reasonable sound. You can change the order with displays, rather. You can change the order that you display things in. Delete that one for the moment. So I've only got that up at the minute, but if we add my second display back in, display 2, currently that's on top because you can see that. You can't see the other thing. You can change the order simply by dragging one on top of the other, like that, or you can mute out different screens by clicking these little eyes here, like that. Alright, so that's the basic functionality sort of out of the way. You can stream with it. There is a streaming option. I've never used it, so I can't advise you on that. But to start recording, you just click record there, and away you go. Now it will save the recording somewhere, and you'll need to work out where. If you click on settings and go to, from memory, output, yes, recording path, and then it tells you where it's putting the videos. You can change that location to somewhere else if you like. What else might you need to know? Audio output. Oh, audio output capture is handy. So this option here captures any sound from video that you're using on your laptop. So if you can imagine you want to talk to students about a video, or you want to show them a snippet of video, when that audio comes out your laptop and then gets captured by the laptop's microphone, it's not very clear, so you can actually capture the audio that is going out before it goes out, and you can put it straight into your video. I'll try and show you an example of that. I might have to shrink this a little bit. Let's go to a YouTube link up here. YouTube, it can be anything. Oh, here's one on COVID-19. Now that's going to be depressing. Let's find something else. Here we go. Hopefully that's nice and clean. All right, and you can see that output's coming through there, and it'll be nice and clear. I can turn that up.
Chicken. Your name, not mine. And I get it.
Turn it down. You can balance the audio there, just so that your students can hear clearly what you're saying over the top of the YouTube clip. There you go. So yeah, I hope this helps. I found it really handy. As I said, you can have video of yourself over the top of whether it's YouTube clips or PDFs or anything at all. It could be a calculator. All right, I hope you find that useful.